Those are my 9-month-old puppies. They're still kind of figuring this all out. Oh!
Yeah, they somehow wound up together.
Usually I kind of let them run like that to see if they could figure it out themselves. It's all training. We train on a four-wheeler, and what I'll do is I'll put them towards the back of the team, and then when they go on the same side of the line, I'll say their name, Pulsar under, and then I'll drive the four-wheeler so that it pulls the line over for them, and that kind of teaches them. And I have some of my dogs know that under means to get on the other side. It's amazing what you could teach them.
They stay on that one side for long.
They like each other. They're brothers. So I don't know if you guys hear the commands I'm giving. I said G back there. G means right. Paw means left. We took those terms from old mule driving terms just because they're really obvious commands that the dogs can understand. They don't have to say it very loud. They have excellent hearing, but it does have to be really distinct because it sounds kind of mumbled to the dog. And they actually have a pretty big vocabulary. They know on, by, straight. Hup, hup, pick it up a little bit. Come via, turn around to the right. Come haw, turn around to the left. dog go easy, easy. The one thing I can't teach this dog to is walk. Like day walk, but the only reason they stop is because they have the brake on. It has nothing to do with what I said. Well, if you can come over to this sideline.
Okay.
Oh, that's pitiful, isn't it?
So each dog will do this run a couple times a day.
Yeah.
Good boy. All right. Let's go. We can go warm up.